The city witnessed the first rain of the year on Tuesday, bringing much needed relief from the scorching heat as a spell of rain accompanied by thunder and lightning lashed Hubballi and its surrounding areas for over an hour. After days of intense heat, residents experienced a sudden shift in weather conditions, welcoming the cool breeze and showers. The rainfall was widespread across the city with heavy downpours reported in several localities. Areas such as Koppikara Road and Durga recorded particularly intense showers, causing brief disruptions while significantly bringing down temperatures. The sudden change in weather was widely appreciated by residents, many of whom described it as a refreshing break from the heat, often attributing it to the blessings of Varuna Deva, the rain god. The impact of the weather system extended beyond the city, following forecasts of thunderstorms and heavy rainfall across parts of the state. Intense weather activity was also reported in Kundagol taluk near Hubballi. According to reports, several villages in Kundagol taluk witnessed heavy rainfall while Betadur village experienced a hailstorm, the large ice balls falling in significant quantities. The downpour accompanied by hail caused disruption in the area. Rainfall in Kundagol taluk continued for over an hour in multiple villages, underlining the intensity of the weather conditions and the accuracy of the earlier forecast predicting thunderstorms and heavy rain across the region.